You're welcome to another powerful business opportunity episode. So, the question I'm going to ask you in this period is what is your main goal online for this year? It doesn't matter whether you are watching this in 2023, you're watching it 24 or 25 or 20, no matter how the year you're watching this, what is your main goal online for this year? Because whether you make money or don't make money, people are really making money on the internet every day. Is it the most reliable business in 2023? I can't count the number of people that used to ask me about the business opportunities yearly. Are you looking for the best entrepreneurship books? Without knowledge in the books, you can't reach anywhere. So one of the most important priorities in life is for you to be reading on a daily basis. Is it high income skills? Especially when you are young, your life is too risky if you don't acquire the right high income skills at the age of 17, 18, above. That is the right time you need to acquire the right income skills for you to separate yourself from the global internet noises. Is it cryptocurrency industry? The bull market is coming now. This is the right time for you to invest in crypto and change your life finally in the next bull market. Is it affiliate money secret or affiliate marketing business? A whole lot of people experience the breakthrough in affiliate marketing in the last 3 to 4 years in the Nigerian country because affiliate marketing is the most trending business so far 2 to 3 years. Is it web marketing? Are you doing business in WhatsApp? If you are not doing business in WhatsApp at this stage, you are denying yourself money making opportunity in WhatsApp. Quality lead generation secret. A whole lot of business want to generate leads or prospective clients for their various businesses now. And as long as you can generate leads or prospective clients for them, they are ready to pay you whatever the amount. Is it best performing Facebook ads? Are you advertising in Facebook? If you don't do the right thing for yourself. How can you be a business owner and not advertising your business on Facebook? You have to do the correction. Or you're looking for the top notch nurturing strategies. A whole lot of people have customers database. They communicate with their customer, they do communicate on a daily basis, but they don't nurture their customers well. That is why they don't buy. So this is very important indeed. Is it forex trading? I cannot lie you, forex trading is the most difficult skill or business on the internet so far in history. That is why 99.999% of people failed in forex trading in history. In fact, it cost me good 6 years of slap, suffering, pain, etc. before I became good in forex in 2013. Good 6 years in forex wilderness. So it's not easy to become an expert in forex, but when you get trained from the real expert, the journey will be easy for you. So there is money in forex, and people are making money in forex every day. Is it world class copy thinking framework? If you are a copywriter, you can live in any country successfully because this is one of the top, if not the top, high income skills. If not the top high income skills, copywriting is one of the best high income skills in the entire world. So if you know how to write copy that sells, companies are ready to pay you whatever the amounts. Then how to sell like pro. How to sell is the number one high income skill in the entire world. If you know how to sell, you can turn everything. You can turn everything around within a short period of time. The question I'm going to ask you, even church pastors, church reverends, church leaders, church founders, church evangelist group, they know how to sell, not necessary to be selling and collect money, but they know how to progress, they know how to promote the name of almighty God. So if church pastor or church leaders or whatever can know how to sell, why won't you that is doing business? How to sell, once again, is the number one skill in the entire world. So if you know how to sell, you can live successfully in any country in the entire world. So please and please, no matter how the category you belong to in life, you need to know how to sell. Lastly, to escape your 9 to 5 job, I can't count the number of employees, government workers, the civil servants, anyone that is working and be collecting salary monthly belongs to 9 to 5 job category. So I can't count the number of people asking me so many questions based on business opportunity online from 9 to 5 job employees. So if you are in 9 to 5 job, lastly, I'm going to give you access to the right platform you need to achieve everything from the most reliable business opportunity in this year above to the last one, which is how to escape 9 to 5 job. That is the biggest opportunity I'm going to give you at the end of this episode so that you can access the right information you need for you to move forward in life. I don't know, maybe your own learning format is video, audio, or copy format, this opportunity I'm giving you now gets you cover. So stop scrolling, please. Again, this year is going to be our end, and tomorrow doesn't promise. So stop scrolling and register at www.worldinternetbillionaire.com. Look at the screen very well. Register at www.worldinternetbillionaires.com to access the right information you need to escape in 2023. Congratulations. Congratulations. That is exactly website you need to access everything that I've been discussing so far. And everything you see on the screen now is just 1% of the big things you are going to benefit inside this website, www.worldinternetbillionaires.com. Hope you have been blessed through this once in a while powerful business opportunity or money making opportunities message. So it is now left to you. It is possible for you to access all the most beautiful information ever across the internet on a daily basis and still broke and still be suffering simply because of you are not an action taker. So action taking is the most important thing in whatever you're going to do on a daily basis. So are you ready to take action now? Visit www.worldinternetbillionaires.com on the screen and register immediately, and your life will never ever be the same at the end of this year. Thanks so much for your time here. Good luck.